guys, it's your girl Maya Miliani, and I'm back again with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a hair install for y'all. So first things first, I'm getting my Got2b glue spray and I'm spraying my bald cap. I like to make sure that the Got2b glue spray is spread very evenly across my hairline, so when it's time to cut, there's no lifting. So if you want to see a more detailed video about my bald cap method, go watch my last video. So right now I'm just cutting my wig cap, and as you can see, there's no lifting because I waited for the wig cap to fully dry before I started cutting. So after I finished cutting my bowl cap, I did apply makeup to it off camera. Right now I'm just applying glue, and as you can see, I did apply too much. As you can see by my face, I was tight, but I just spread it along my forehead anyways, and I just keep spreading it until it turns clear. Once my first layer was dry, I added my second layer, and then I spread it again. I do repeat these steps about 4 times just because I do not want my wig lifting throughout the week. While this dries, I'm going to talk to you about the wig. So I did a side part, and I did pin curls. Don't come for me. I did do pin curls, and they was bomb. They was looking bomb. Tune into my last video. Well, not the wig cap video, but tune into the video before the wig cap video. I did some bomb curls on this wig, and then I put it up here, and then I kept pushing it towards the end so that it wouldn't be seen on camera just yet, because I wanted it to be surprise. But the more I pushed that thing, I left it right at the edge. Like, this is some bozo shit to do. But yeah, I left it right at the edge, and yeah, obviously know what happened. It fell. So I wasn't tussling with it. I was not tussling with the wig. Once my last layer of glue was dry, I got the wig and started putting it on my head. I usually start sticking it down by where my part is first. After sticking my lace down, I immediately put on my elastic band and I tie it down for about 10 minutes. So while it's tied down, I like to start styling it. Honestly, when I first combed out the curls, I was not feeling it. It was giving helmet. It was giving not it. I did not like it at all. Just to get rid of this helmet head look, I get my edge stick and I apply a very, very generous amount so that the top is laid sleek and flat. So I pass over the top with a hot comb a couple of times just to make sure of that. When 10 minutes has passed, I take off my elastic band and I start to cut my lace. I made sections to make it easier for myself. cutting off all of the lace, I start pulling out hair for edges. And just to top it off and make this wig look more scalp looking, I just add a little bit of makeup all across the hairline, and then I spray it with Got To Be glue spray, and then I tie it down again. And honestly, for the second time that I tie it down, I don't have a time limit. I just style the hair the way I want it, and then I take off the head tie. I'm hot combing the top again, and as you can see, it's definitely not giving helmet head no more. It's looking flat, it's looking laid. After hot combing it, I took off the elastic band, and then I started to style my edges. This is the final look. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And I post twice a week. I post on Wednesdays and Sundays. Don't forget to click the bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.